Minecraft was never supposed to have real aircraft. But now, players are building massive flying machines, working airplanes, and giant airships inside a block game. And somehow, it actually works. A new Minecraft mod called Create Aeronautics is suddenly exploding across YouTube. Millions of views, huge player interest, and some creators are calling it one of the most impressive Minecraft mods ever made. At first, it looks impossible, because Minecraft vehicles normally don't work like this. Most mods simply fake movement. But Create Aeronautics does something very different. It turns entire moving structures into real flying machines. That means players can build huge airships with engines, propellers, physics systems, moving parts, and fully functional controls. And once the machine is complete, the entire structure lifts off the ground. Not just a small plane, entire bases can fly. Some players are already building massive warships, cargo aircraft, flying cities, and insane survival machines. And the craziest part? Most of it is powered using the famous Create mod system, which means gears, rotating engines, mechanical power, and automation all become part of the aircraft itself. So instead of just driving a vehicle, players are engineering them. That's why videos about this mod are suddenly going viral. Because watching giant handmade machines slowly rise into the sky feels completely different from normal Minecraft. It feels real, and the visual satisfaction is insane. Every spinning propeller, every moving gear, every successful takeoff creates the feeling of watching a real engineering project come alive. Some creators are even comparing it to games like Scrap Mechanic or Stormworks, except now, it's happening inside Minecraft. And because the mod is still new, players are constantly discovering more ridiculous creations: flying pirate ships, mechanical bombers, steam-powered aircraft, even giant mobile factories that travel across survival worlds. Right now, the community is basically in an arms race, trying to build the biggest and craziest machine possible. And YouTube absolutely loves it, because every thumbnail looks unbelievable. Huge aircraft floating over Minecraft landscapes, massive engines, explosions, physics chaos. It's the perfect formula for viral content. But beyond the views, Create Aeronautics is changing something bigger. It's changing how players think about Minecraft itself. Because for years, Minecraft was mostly about building static worlds. Now, entire worlds can move. And somewhere right now, someone is probably building the next impossible flying machine, block by block,